10 game inspirations for your baby from 0 to 6 months. 1. Entire smile. When your baby is 2 months old, she might start grinning. Playing a game of smiling will be fun with her at this time. Just smile at your infant and wait for her to return the favor. Make silly faces and noises to elicit a smile from her. 2. Monkeys learn through doing. Try to mimic your baby's facial expressions and hand gestures as you get near to her. You'll soon notice that your child is copying you. Try extending your tongue out to see whether she imitates you, for instance. 3. Clap loudly. Clap your hands together and talk while doing so when your baby is feeling upbeat. She'll eventually enjoy using this noise to get your attention to herself. 4. The pedal. Perhaps pedal your child's legs like a bicycle while she is lying on her back after you have changed her diaper. She will undoubtedly enjoy it. 5. I'm tickled. As you tickle your infant's toes, belly, or chin, recite a traditional tickle rhyme like, "This little piggy," or "Round and round." Your infant will become giddy in anticipation of the upcoming tickling. 6. Rally and shake. To get your baby's attention, grab a rattle or a squeaky toy and start shaking. You might partially fill a jar or bottle with dried beans or rice and seal it tightly if you don't have a rattle or squeaky toy. 7. Bursting bubbles. Blow bubbles around your infant when she is sitting on your lap or in a bouncer. Just watch out that none get in her eyes. She'll like the bubbles' charm and tracing their motion with her eyes. 8. Have fun. Your infant can enjoy playing with a ball at almost any age. You only need to roll a soft toy ball in this game toward your child. Encourage your little child to grab it. Even so, she might just grab it and mouth it or try to roll it back. 9. Belly time. Your baby's head and neck muscles can become stronger by doing regular tummy time exercises. While your infant cranes her neck to look up at you, lay her down on a blanket on her stomach and amuse her. You may do a puppet show, shake a rattle at her, or blow bubbles in her way. 10. Baby exercise. A baby gym is a specific piece of equipment needed for this game. If you have one of these, you can set your child up on the carpet in the living room with the gym above her, laying her on her back. She may safely swat and hit all the dangling objects, which will aid in your child's coordination and muscle strength development. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.